Hi all. I'm just going to do a quick update here to let everybody know that everything's getting back to normal, sort of. As normal as it can get, of course. And let's see, what else? My daughter has got somebody that can stay with her now for all the time. So I'm back home now. So I was, staying down there with her as much as I could. So I don't know what else to say. It's just been kind of hard, Big surprise. So my daughter's doing fine. She's just banged up pretty good. So, but she'll be all right. She had a little concussion, and they wanted to keep her. But after about 3 days, they let her go. So she's gonna be all right. She's got some bruises, and like I said, she's banged up pretty good. So it's a little bit hard for me at the moment to be talking about it, but there's been 2 or 3 people that want to know everything was okay, and yeah, everything's fine. And I'm just rambling. I'm repeating myself over and over, because that's nothing new, is it? So yeah, everything's fine. Yeah, I guess that's it. I can't think of nothing else. Just a shorty.